fly to make your day easy as...
Hi, I'm Heidi LaCicero, Southern Airways host on the coast with a celebrity edition of I Fly Southern. Today we're delighted we have a great guest for you, Mississippi's own governor. We're so happy to welcome you down.
Oh,
we are
Heidi,
thrilled.
thank you. Thank you. It's wonderful.
Tell us about your flight.
Oh, it was great. First Lady and I had a wonderful opportunity. As I said, I got half a day's work in a day, which is always important when you're governor of a state. And so then we ran out and hopped on the plane, and it was a beautiful flight, about an hour and 25 minutes down here to Destin. But you get to see the country, the ocean, things that you normally would miss on a commercial flight, and things that you would like to miss with an 8-hour drive. So
exactly.
It was just perfect.
Well, and we're delighted that you decided to fly with us today because you were instrumental in getting Mississippi a flagship airline.
Yeah.
Tell us about how excited you were when you first learned of this.
We were so excited because it's important to make sure that professionals, for example, we had a physician on the flight with us today, as business travelers who are looking at how will I get to Destin, be able to get my work done, get back the next day. It's always about timing. It's always about your schedule. And so we were excited to know that our professionals were going to be serviced by this great airline. And then, of course, if you look at, like having the #1 football team in the nation, and having the #4 football team in the nation, so people want to go to the games. So if we're playing in different states, they can get a whole group of their friends together and hop on here and go to a ball game. But it is letting people know that do business in Mississippi and do so around the Southeast that they have a new carrier and a new way to get there back safely and to fit their schedule.
Exactly. And from what we know about you, your political motto has kind of been having Mississippi make bold choices, getting out and making a difference. And we've seen firsthand with your support of Southern Airways that you're actually making a difference as well.
Well, thank you. And we talk about rising together, and so that's been our motto, is the entire state must rise together, not only as we see now in our football world, but economically, education, and all of those things that we look to for quality of life. So there's no better way to rise together than Southern Airways.
That's right, and let's talk football. Now
Now
that we got the business side of it, all of my children attend Ole Miss. Obviously, we love the Rebels, and of course, Mississippi State's doing phenomenal as well.
Sure, they are #1 and #4, so we're in that playoff. And as I tell people, Southern Miss is just 3 games away from a bowl game. So they can still pull it out. But it's been a great year. Delta State's #1 in their division.
Fighting Okra.
Fighting Okra, out there fighting hard. So it's a great year for us. But we're also top 10 for economic development in the nation. We're #5 for women-owned businesses. So women entrepreneurs, we like that, are doing better in Mississippi than 45 other states. It has been a very good term, and we are just going to rise together into the future.
I love that. And as you can see, what we're talking about today is not just football and fun things, but business and economic development and wonderful things happening in the great state of Mississippi. We're delighted when you guys fly Southern Airways. We're happy to have you aboard, and we hope that each of you out there watching us will go to our website, which is iflysouthern.com, or visit us on Facebook, because we hope you'll be part of our next episode of I Fly Southern and join all of the celebrities down here on the beautiful Destin Gulf Coast.
And when we go to the national championship, call me. I'll come fly with you.
That's right.
Thanks, Heidi.
So much.
Great trip.
Bye-bye.
We fly to make your day easy as a southern breeze. No TSA, no bag or parking fee.